5 ways interior painting can help improve your home. Dear friends, repainting the interior of your home can significantly change your living space's overall look and feel. It's not just about a change of color, it's about transforming the entire atmosphere of your home. The right color and quality of paint can turn an ordinary room into a stunning space, showcasing your unique taste and personality. Long-term benefits for your home. Beyond the immediate visual appeal, interior painting offers long-term benefits for your home. A professional paint job protects walls from wear and tear, moisture damage, and other environmental factors. It's an investment in the longevity and durability of your home's interior, ensuring it stays beautiful and functional for years to come. Interior painting is not just a task, it's an opportunity to transform and enhance your living environment. It goes beyond mere aesthetic appeal, offering functional benefits that can significantly improve your home. Let's dive into the 5 key ways in which interior painting can positively impact your home. 1. Aesthetic enhancement. The most immediate and noticeable impact of interior painting is its ability to drastically enhance the aesthetics of your home. A fresh coat of paint can revive a dull room, brighten a dark space, or add elegance and sophistication. It's about choosing the right color palette that complements your furniture, flooring, and home decor, creating a cohesive and inviting atmosphere. Whether you opt for bold and vibrant hues or prefer subtle and calming tones, the right choice of interior paint can transform your home into a reflection of your personality and style. 2. Increased property value. Interior painting is a cost-effective way to increase your home's value. A well-maintained and freshly painted home is more appealing to potential buyers and can command a higher price in the real estate market. Even if you are not planning to sell your home soon, maintaining its condition with quality interior painting is a wise investment for the future. 3. Health and air quality improvement. Modern interior paints come with various health benefits. Many brands offer low VOC, volatile organic compounds, or VOC-free paints, which are better for indoor air quality and safer for families, especially those with allergies or respiratory issues. Choosing the right interior paint can reduce the presence of harmful chemicals in your home, ensuring a healthier living environment. Moreover, certain paints are designed to resist mold and mildew, which is particularly beneficial in humid or moisture-prone areas of the home. 4. Personalization and mood setting. Color psychology plays a significant role in interior painting. Different colors can evoke different emotions and set the mood for a room. For instance, blues and greens are known to have a calming effect, making them ideal for bedrooms and bathrooms, while warmer tones like reds and oranges can stimulate conversation and appetite, perfect for living rooms and dining areas. By carefully selecting your interior paint colors, you can create an environment that aligns with your desired mood and functionality for each space. 5. Protection of interior surfaces. Paint acts as a protective barrier for your walls, safeguarding them from everyday wear and tear. High-quality interior paint can resist stains, scuffs, and marks, making it easier to clean and maintain the walls. This protection extends the life of your walls, preventing the need for frequent touch-ups or repairs. In areas like the kitchen or bathroom, where walls are more prone to moisture and grease, a durable paint finish can make a significant difference in maintaining the integrity and appearance of these spaces. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.